Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. This is a follow-up one from my first ever video about changing the BMW F20 gear gaiter. So if you haven't checked that video out, go back, have a look at that. Today we're going to be changing the gear knob. This is the new one here, if you can see it. This one's shorter than the one that's currently on there. Does feel a lot better, feels a lot better as well. So let's get into it. So I hope you can all see this okay. As per the previous video, you've literally just got to grab onto it and pull it up as hard as you can. There we go. Really easy this time because it's been off many times before. Yeah, so there's the old one. Very worn on the back part of it. And the new one's here, so height wise it's shorter and definitely a lot heavier as well. And once it's off, let's line up the new one. Literally down into place. There we go. Just a short video today, just following up from my first one really about the gaiter changed, but now the pair of them are done. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you can because it helps out a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.